Welcome back, family. I have a unique prophetic word to share with those of you whom it's for today. And as we're in this month of November, and God has been talking about reclaiming and restoring, this hit my spirit the other night. And I was like, Lord, are you really saying this literally for people? And he has been talking to me ever since. And he's been saying, yes, I'm saying literally. And so God is saying for a lot of you, there will be restoration in your hair even. Things that you have thought were gone, okay? Things that you thought were missing. Some of you have dealt with alopecia. Some of you have dealt with traction alopecia and other things even due to certain sicknesses and illnesses. And God is saying that he is restoring even those things, praise God, even those things that seem like they're not restorable. God is yet restoring them. So I pray that if this word is for you, that you don't bypass it, that you don't ignore it, that you don't think that it's silly, and that you would receive what God is saying to you today. God is in the business of doing supernatural things when we can believe for it, when we can accept it, when we can activate it in our own lives. And part of that activation at times just comes simply by saying, God, I receive that. I desire to see that happen in my life. I desire hair restoration. And so if that's you, and sometimes that's a very sensitive subject, it's something that people kind of don't talk about or they're afraid to share. They don't even want to mention it to other believers. But if that's something, even I feel this. You've been praying about that and you're like, Lord, show me what to do. Show me how this can work in my life. What can I do in this area of hair loss to receive restoration? God can point you to something, or yet again, he can just do it even as you sleep. So receive this word, allow him to restore all the areas that he wants to restore in your life. This is the last thing. Sometimes we reject restoration because we think that it's impossible, and we even could think that it doesn't matter to God. But if God is bringing this word to you today, and it's a confirmation of what you have been praying for, then receive it and expect it in your life. All right? I love you, family. Be blessed. Bye-bye.